Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is your girl Ife Success, and I'm so happy to be here today once again. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing great. I hope you are doing great. Yes, a very big shout out to all of you that are that always come here to watch my video, to support me, to all my membership. I just want to say a very big thank you to all of you. You all rock. Thank you so much. I love you all so much. Is today your first time of tuning into this channel? You are welcome. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, this is the best time for you to subscribe. Don't go away without subscribing to my channel. Okay, I need you in my life. Yes, I do. So today I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make your own carrot and orange juice at home, especially during this period. We are yet in another in second lockdown here in UK. I don't know in your own country if you are on lockdown, because of this whole thing going on, which I don't want to mention name of it, what it is. You already know what it is. So today I just want to teach you how you can make your own carrot and your carrot and orange juice. Orange is filled, is packed with vitamin C. So as carrot, you want to have that sharp eyes and that glowing skin. This is for you. You want to be, to equip your system with the high vitamin that your system need, especially this time. You need to learn how you can make your own orange and carrot juice. So the ingredients we have here is orange and carrot, and also I always like to put ginger in my orange and carrot juice, because I just love the sharp, how do I say, the spicy that comes with ginger. I love it so much. So let's go. I'm going to take you, come with me, let's do it together. So guys, we are starting. This is my juicer. I love this juicer and I've been using it for ages, and it still has the same power. So this is how I prepare my carrots and orange juice. Let's go guys, let's go together, let's do it together. So I'm popping my coming, babes. so it can fit on the, can you take a look? Can fit on my machine. So guys, here it is. This can feed us as a family of 5. Okay, so yeah, that's how you make your own orange and carrot juice. Just is very simple. With this machine you are covered. Let me show you something from this machine. I love this machine so much. So you may be wondering, where are the chaff that came out from this? Here are the chaff, guys. Here are the chaff. Can you see? Can you see? Here are the chaff. You know, here are the chaff from the orange and the carrot. Sometimes I use the chaff to do, like, you know, to prepare a swallow. All right, so that's it, guys. If you want to know how I normally use the chaff to prepare a swallow, you know, especially if you are on your weight loss journey, just let me know on the comment section. Yes, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, let me see what you think. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share and like. All right, keep eating healthy, because our healthy living is a happy living. Thank you. Bye. Your healthy drink for your family is served. Yes. Feed your family with healthy drink. Instead of feeding your family with frizzy drink or alcohol, it's better to feed them with fresh juice. It's good for them and it's good for you that is watching. All right,